Welcome. Next advanced database system is heterogeneous databases and legacy databases. So, what is a heterogeneous database? A heterogeneous database consists of a set of interconnected autonomous component databases. Heterogeneous database consists of a set of interconnected autonomous component databases. The components communicate to exchange information and answer queries. The component databases exchange information and answer the queries. The objects in one component database, C1, may differ greatly from objects in other component databases, C2. Objects in one component database greatly differ from another component database, C2. So, it makes difficult to consolidate the semantics of overall heterogeneous database. It is very difficult to define the semantics of overall heterogeneous database because the objects in one component database may differ greatly from objects from other component databases. So, in heterogeneous database, there are more than one component databases. They are interconnected and autonomous. The development in the information technology help the many enterprises to acquire legacy databases. The development in the information technology result many enterprises to acquire legacy databases. What is a legacy database? A legacy database is a group of heterogeneous databases that combines different kinds of data systems, such as relational databases, object-oriented databases, hierarchical databases, network databases, spreadsheets, multimedia databases, or file systems. A legacy database is a group of heterogeneous databases that combines different kind of data systems, including relational databases, object-oriented databases, hierarchical databases, network databases, spreadsheets, multimedia databases, or file systems. Note that the heterogeneous databases in the legacy databases may be connected by intranetworks or intercomputer networks. So, heterogeneous database is a collection of component databases. Now, legacy database is a collection of heterogeneous databases. The heterogeneous databases in the legacy database may be connected by intra-computer network or inter-computer network. Now, the information exchange across the different heterogeneous databases in the legacy database is a difficult task. Information exchange across different systems or different heterogeneous databases is difficult because it requires precise transformation rules from one representation to another. Information exchange between databases is a difficult task because we require a precise transformation rule from one representation to another. Example. Consider two universities, U1 and U2. The first university, that is U1, adopt a quarter system. And it offers 3 courses on database systems. 3 courses on database systems. 3 courses on database systems. Okay, and assigns grades from A plus to F. It follows the grading system A plus to F. Whereas the university 2, that is U2, second university, adopt a semester system which offer 2 courses on database and assigns grades from 1 to 10. In this scenario, it is very difficult to work out precise course to grade transformation rules between 2 universities. Course to grade transformation rule between the 2 universities is a difficult task. So, the information exchange becomes difficult. So, in the legacy database systems, the information exchange between the databases is a difficult task. Consider this example. The data mining techniques provide an interesting solution to the information exchange problem. Data mining technologies may provide an interesting solution to the information exchange problem. How it is? By performing statistical data distribution and correlation analysis. So, perform statistical data distribution and correlation analysis on the first university data as well as on the second university data. Then the results are transformed into a higher or generalized conceptual levels like fair, average, good, excellent. Apply some statistical data distribution and correlation analysis on the different databases data and transform the result into higher, more generalized conceptual levels like fair, average, good, excellent. Here also it is converted to fair, average, good, excellent. So we can exchange information easily. Data mining techniques may provide an interesting solution to the information exchange problem by performing statistical data distribution and correlation analysis. Then the result is transformed to higher, more generalized conceptual levels like fair, good, or excellent for student grade, from which information exchange can then more easily be performed. So, data mining provides a solution to the information exchange problem in the heterogeneous databases or the legacy databases. So we discussed heterogeneous databases and legacy databases. Okay.